Hi everyone, how are you today? Okay, our lesson for today is going to be a little bit, different. I was asked from many students or by many students to write a passage or paragraph about or related to COVID-19. Okay, I promise that I'll help you with that, but actually, if you want to write any paragraph or any, passage about any subject, you have to be familiar with vocabulary. So today we're going to do something unusual. We are not going to talk about the textbook or we are not going to talk about curriculum اللي هو المنهج. So I'm going to, give you some words or teach you some words related to the COVID-19. So let's get started. Okay. We have the first word, pandemic. Okay, the first word is pandemic. Pandemic, I'm going to try to translate in Arabic as much as possible. أحاول أترجم. Pandemic اللي هي جائحة كورونا. Pandemic جائحة يعني. Okay, quarantine. Okay, when person infected with the coronavirus is going to stay at home, isolated. Okay, يعني معزول. So sometimes we call self quarantine يعني عزل شخصي. Outbreak and spread. Outbreak اللي هو التفشي. Okay, outbreak is when the disease or virus are very rapidly, spreads around many, places or in many places actually. We have social distancing or physical distancing to keep away distance from somebody, okay, so that to be safe. Okay, اللي هو بعد المسافة. Novel اللي هو المستجد. We said that novel coronavirus. We have COVID-19. Of course, COVID, CO اللي هو corona, V اللي هو الفيروس, وال D اللي هو disease. 19, 2019, the first confirmed case, أول حالة يعني مؤكدة was reported from Wuhan, China. That was in 2019. So that's why it's COVID-19. Antibodies اللي هي الأجسام المضادة. We have immune system, جهاز المناعة, immune. Full face shield. It's just like a shield that the doctors or nurses wear it through the work so that they protect themselves in order not to be infected with the virus. We have recovery اللي هو الاستشفاء. Infected with يعني مصاب به أو معدوم به. Symptoms اللي هي الأعراض. So many people are asking what are the symptoms of COVID-19. We have a fever اللي هو الحمى, shortness of breath اللي هو ضيق التنفس أيضا. Okay, we have sometimes temperature, etc. Okay, so many things, they are called symptoms. Now, actually many symptoms, okay, are appearing on people. Okay, حالات هواية يعني أعراض تزيد يعني بالكورونا بالكوفيد-19. Containment, احتواء. Okay, so sometimes the government tried or attempted to contain, okay, the situation, احتواء الموقف by closing everything, by tell the people to stay at home يعني يسيطرون على الموقف. Confirmed case. I said that confirmed case يعني حالة مؤكدة. The first confirmed case was reported in China. Epidemic أيضا نقول عليه وباء. But what is the difference between pandemic and epidemic? Actually, epidemic is a very rapidly spreads out of disease. يعني بسرعة ينتشر, but in community, in population, in area, in region. ينتشر في مجتمع, في منطقة. Okay, but if this epidemic is going to spread out in many countries, إذا انتشر إلى أقطار عديدة, so it's going to be pandemic. Okay, فهو من ينتشر في مكان محدد خلينا نقول أو في يعني منطقة محددة نسميه epidemic. But if it's going to spread out all over the world, okay, it's gonna be pandemic. We have fatality rate. Fatality rate اللي هي نسبة الوفيات. Okay. He has been tested. We sometimes said he has been tested positive, he has been tested negative. يعني شخص, okay, بالإيجابي أو بالسلبي. hospitalization من hospital اللي هي المستشفى. Okay, hospitality حسن الضيافة. Hospitalization actually is the way that the doctors follow when they treat their patients in the hospital. يعني معالجة المرضى داخل المستشفى. Hospitalization. We have a mask. Okay, so it's in general we say sometimes mask, but actually إذا بدنا نحكي عن الكمامة we call muzzle. Muzzle اللي هي الكمامة. Okay, contagious اللي هو المعدي. contagious disease مرض معدي. لو نحفظ كلمة disease وهي contagious ما راح ننساها. اوكي. عندي كلمة الجهاز التنفسي. اوكي. اللفظ لفظتين. اوكي. الأكثر دارج هو respiratory system اللي هو جهاز تنفسي أو respiratory system. واحدة منهم British, another one is American accent. Sweep the globe يجتاح العالم. We can say that coronavirus is sweeping the globe. Sweep من مسح يمسح. Sweeper اللي هو الكناس. They've been recovered. So many people have been ill with coronavirus or infected with coronavirus, but they have been recovered. يعني استشفوا. Okay. Vaccine or vaccination. Vaccine يقبل يكون verb بمعنى يلقح أو لقاح. Vaccination اللي هو التطعيم أو اللقاح. We can give example. Russia and USA are, working around the clock يعني 24 ساعة أو على مدار الساعة to find a vaccine for Covid19. We have infectious disease اللي هو المرض المعدي. Infectious disease اللي هو مرض المعدي. Misconception سوء فهم. So many people, we can say have misconception about Covid-19. يعني سوء فهم بهذا المرض. We have immune compromised people who have a very or we can say a weakened immune system. ناس عندها مناعة ضعيفة جدا. They are maybe old يعني كبار بالعمر. They have already health problems. عندهم مشاكل like hypertension انخفاض وارتفاع بالضغط or diabetes اللي هو السكري or heart attack or etc. Okay, they are easily infected with coronavirus. Okay. Incubation period اللي هي فترة الحضانة. We have isolation اللي هو العزل. Panic الذعر. Don't panic يعني لا تخاف. Okay. Mortality and morbidity نسبة الإصابات إلى نسبة الوفيات. Concerns مخاوف. Clinical trial أو clinical trials اللي هي التجارب السريرية خلينا نقول. Contact tracing اللي هو مراقبة الأشخاص الملامسين. Okay. Contact tracing. Lockdown اللي هو الإقفال. State of emergency حالة طوارئ. Index case أول حالة مؤكدة. Index person 0 patient اثنيناتهم. Okay, both of them يعني يتكلمون عن أول شخص مصاب. ما ننسى index person أو 0 patient. Intensivist is a doctor, okay, that works يشتغل بالICU, an intensive care unit. A doctor that works in ICU we call it الدكتور اللي يشتغل بالعناية المركزة نسميه intensivist. Okay. Forehead thermometer اللي هو الجهاز device that can tell you the temperature degree درجة الحرارة. We have some abbreviation. عندنا بعض المختصرات نقول PUI, okay, person under investigation, شخص تحت المراقبة. CDC اللي هو Centers of Disease Control يعني مراكز السيطرة للمرض. WHO معروفة منظمة الصحة العالمية World Health Organization. PPE اللي هو Personal Protective Equipment معدات الحماية الشخصية. Just like face shield. أيضا عندنا goggles اللي هي المناظر اللي يلبسوها الدكاترة عم يحمون نفسهم. عندنا مثلا هذا هو الشيلد الفيس شيلد اللي يلبسوه الدكاترة. أيضا عندنا gown الثوب اللي ينلبس فوق okay. So many people are wearing gown over their clothes so that they protect themselves from COVID-19. Okay. يحمون نفسهم. عندنا ICU مثل ما قلنا اللي هي وحدة العناية المركزة Intensive Care Unit. NIH اللي هو National Institute Health. المعهد الصحي الوطني. Okay, we have another word, ventilators. Ventilators اللي هو الأجهزة التنفسية. Ventilators. Okay, we can say two, types. There are so many types actually, but let's talk about two types of ventilators. Okay, we have invasive, non-invasive. Okay, أو نسميه intubation. intubation هذا هو النوع الأول. intubation اللي هو من خلال إدخال الأنبوبة، أوكي، يخلون الأنبوبة بالأنف، أوكي، فيصير التنفس، أو يكون كماسك أو فيس ماسك. فيس ماسك يكون مثل ماسك يخلوه على الفم نقدر نتنفس. فعندنا جهازين، فالجهاز التنفسي الحقيقة الأجهزة نسميها ventilators. ventilators عندنا intubation اللي هو عن طريق الأنبوب، وعندنا face mask اللي يوضع خلال الفم. Okay, actually this is not I don't like to say that this is everything about coronavirus. Actually there are so many terms, هواية مصطلحات. Okay, so I wish I can help you, okay, in this a very short lesson. Okay, please, if there is any question you can ask me. Okay, so stay at home and be safe. See you next time.